Sai Balaji Group of Institutes was founded under the aegis of Sai Balaji Education Society in the year 2008. The group is known to have established the three following institutes, that is Sai Balaji International Institute of Management Sciences, International Institute of Management and Human Resource Development, and International Institute of Management Studies. Located at a stone throw distance from the Rajiv Gandhi Infotech Park, SBIIMS provides ample opportunities to young management aspirants and budding entrepreneurs.
Gone are the days when a student used to have any management degree or program and used to take a job in this very world. Now the scenario has been changed. Here in this very competitive world, if you have to survive, you need to be equipped with different credentials and qualities. So here in SBIIMS, we do have certification program in SAP, Six Sigma and digital marketing, which helps you getting placed in better companies with good package.
Talking about the academics, the college provides us case studies, presentations, PBLs, that is basically project-based learning, to improve our knowledge, and this gives us practical and theoretical knowledge as well. The faculties over here are so helpful to us. They actually bring us from the traditional belief to the practical approach.
It is a dream of every management student. I have grabbed not only international placement but also highest package from the college.
I wish all success to the students who join.
IIM HRD is an all-women institute which was envisioned to carve female leaders of tomorrow.
Our President Manish R. Mundra sir started this institution because he believed that women prove to be better administrators. Here we are given tremendous amount of training and exposure so that we can make his dream come true.
The institute was started with the vision to impart holistic education, management education to all sections of society. In this institute, all students are treated equally. All rounders have to be created. They are not made by God. So here the combination of academics, sports, extracurricular activities, as well as grooming sessions like finishing school, etc., we play more emphasis on.
Apart from all the academic sessions, our college also provides us a great platform to enhance our overall personality. So for that, the college does various events.
Fests like Vista, Manthan and Pune Freshers competition, which help us to showcase our talents like acting, modeling, singing, that help us to build our self-confidence even in the state level.
So, this college is not all about studying, it's also about fun, exposure and entertainment.
If you want to play with the winners, we at Sai Balaji Education Society believe that we can make you a winner in life.